Vote yes for students in schools!
Hi, we are Seattle Public Schools students. Did you know there's an election that will provide critical levy funding for us in our schools?
Teachers!
The levies will continue fundings for our teachers, nurses, and counselors.
Nurses and counselors.
Programs like special education and breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast and lunch.
The levies also fund band, art, music, and athletics. There's a second levy that also provides us with computers or tablets for learning.
The levy also makes sure we have
Safe and warm school buildings.
Sounds like a whole lot of reasons to vote yes.
Vote yes!
To learn more about the two Seattle Public Schools levies up for renewal, visit www.schoolsfirstseattle.org.
Vote yes! Vote yes! Vote yes on February 8th. That's February 8th.